insane. What's going on, you guys? Again, it's Pete from HyperBoost. Welcome to another episode on this channel. Again, before I start, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the video. I sincerely appreciate it. It does help me out. So anyway, today's episode is just a quick review of my ETS straight pipe Extreme V3 exhaust that was installed 3 weeks ago at the Fitment Factory by Edwin Barrios, my buddy, my boy. Thank you so much. I appreciate you doing that for me. But okay, here we go, the review. I've driven this thing every day, pretty much, because I had to rack up my 500 miles on the car for a break-in period because, again, I had a new differential and transfer case installed in the vehicle. So now that all that's done, 500 miles has to be accomplished. I am now at 455. I'm so close to getting 500 miles. No launching, no nothing. It's just, you know, I just can't wait to be unbridled at that point. But anyway, 3 weeks since the ETS straight pipe exhaust was installed, and my review is this. It's loud. It's really, really loud. There's a lot of noise coming from the exhaust pipes on this car. I can just imagine what it sounds like behind it. I have never been behind it. So maybe one day when me and TJ Squared, Timmy Thompson, who drives a beautiful Subaru WRX that's just impeccably done, super clean. He's my paint guy, and Timmy's also an awesome car dude, one of the greatest friends you could ever have. But anyway, me and him are doing a collab. TJ Squared and HyperBoost are going to collab on a cool, maybe like, nighttime shot video of our cars. So hopefully by then, TJ Squared, Timmy, can drive my car and I can film from a trailing car and record how loud this thing is from the back. I just really want to see or hear the car when it's running, and that would be just insane. So anyway, watch out for that collab video. This car, it's insane. The ETS straight pipe V3, I like it. I do like it. The most beautiful part about it is it has this nice smooth hum when it's on the low revs, and there's a certain amount between 2900 to 3900 RPMs that you get this raspy, angry, banshee screaming sound, and then it drones back out again. That part, when you downshift at that RPM range, flames have to be coming out the back of this thing. It has to be right at that range. It's wonderful. It's music to my ears. And so, yeah, ETS really made a damn good product with that V3 exhaust. The wrap has been delayed a little bit because the makers of the wrap itself that I'm going to be using for the car has been on back order. So, but yeah, I've been told that it was supposed to be the 16th, which is today. Today? Yeah. So anyway, yeah, hopefully I get contacted soon by Tommy from Raptors, and that will be the next vlog. So anyway, that should be it, guys, and I'm going to attach some of the flyby videos that I recorded before, just so you can kind of have an idea on what this thing sounds like when it's running at a lower speed. So anyway, thank you guys for watching HyperBoost, and stand by for the next episode. Anyway, I appreciate it. Like, subscribe, share. Okay, it really helps me out. All right, peace out, guys, and keep it safe. Man, I really wish I could drive behind this thing just so I can record it. Here we go. Did you guys hear that rasp? Pop, bang. Oh my goodness. That was way too much fun.